like, subscribe and get notified.
Two youth from the Mapusa, Assagao area died in a fatal head-on collision near Aamby Valley, Pune, after their swift car crashed into a truck. The incident occurred while the duo were traveling to the area to attend a car and bike show. Police said both victims, aged 24 and 21, were pronounced dead at the spot. An investigation into the cause of the crash is underway, with authorities examining how the collision occurred. Further details are awaited. Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop number Tumarwa Hotel, Aamby Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.